How do I choose a Latin dance shoe? In this video, I will discuss the different factors you need to consider when choosing a Latin dance shoe. I will also provide some tips on finding the perfect pair for your needs. How to choose the perfect Latin dance shoe. To choose the right Latin dance shoes, you want to consider the type of dance you'll be doing, the level of comfort you need, and the style of shoe that best suits your foot and personal preference. Why do you need Latin dance shoes? There are various reasons you need to wear Latin dance shoes when dancing. Here are some of the most important ones. Latin dance shoes provide traction and stability, essential for performing complicated footwork and spins. They help you maintain your balance while dancing. They cushion your feet and help prevent injuries. Latin dance shoes often have a narrower heel than other dance shoes, which helps you maintain proper alignment when dancing. They give your feet the support they need to move around and spin quickly. They make Latin dance moves look more graceful and elegant. Choosing Latin dance shoes for women. There are two types of Latin dance shoes: training and competition shoes. Next, I look at how to choose each of these two types of shoes. Ladies training Latin dance shoes. Training Latin shoes are not as pretty or complicated as competition shoes. Still, they provide the necessary support and traction for ladies just starting out. When choosing training shoes, you want to make sure that they 1. Are not heavy. This is one of the most important factors to consider when choosing a training shoe, as you don't want anything that will weigh you down or make it difficult to move around. 2. Are comfortable. You'll be wearing your shoes for long periods of time, so they must be comfortable and provide adequate cushioning. 3. Have a stable heel. A stable heel is essential for beginners, as it provides support and helps you maintain your balance. 4. Have a good fit. Your shoes must have a good fit, as this will help prevent blisters and other injuries. Make sure to try them on before purchasing to ensure they are the right size. Note that training dance shoes don't have to be heels. You want to choose something that won't make your training sessions more difficult than they should be. Therefore, you can choose flat Latin dance shoes if you feel more comfortable in them. Now that you know how to choose the perfect Latin dance shoe, it's time to go out and buy a pair. Make sure to keep the above factors in mind when shopping to ensure you get a good quality shoe that will last you for many years of dancing. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friend. For more dance tips, subscribe to the channel.